Please stand. Oh, say, can you see this plant so spindly? But it shouldn't be this way. But the man must fix it. It should be long, flat like this. But it's starting to look like shit. And I wonder who could treat a plant so bad like this. And if I had a rocket, I'd let it blow up in a glare. But I need this to look like somebody's real good hair. So let's bring truth to the plant and let the man do his damn thing. Hey, we about to propagate. We about to propagate. Yeah. What's up, y'all? It's the kid from the middle of the map. That's where I'm at. And we gonna try to propagate this beautiful yet sad looking orchid cactus. And if you didn't hear in the song, to prove how much work we need to do, this is how it's supposed to look. And this is how it's actually starting to grow. So stay tuned. We're going to get some cuts. We're going to propagate. We're going to make it happen. So what's good with y'all? So check this out. This is the orchid cactus, and this is not mine. I've just decided to step up, Mac Main Houseplant Services to the rescue. This is actually, it is a cactus of sorts. But basically what it does is it is more tropical. So this is how it's supposed to look, real nice like this. But a lot of times what it'll do is it will climb up other trees and other structures. And it's actually a pretty amazing looking cactus, to tell you the truth. They're like these pads. They don't have thorns, is that what it's called? Spines and stuff like that. So it's easy to handle, and it grows extremely fast. But as you can see, we need some work done to this stat. So Dr. Mac is on the case, baby. So the first thing that we got to do is we need to find a good branch, I guess you call it, to take off. So typically what you want to do is you want to find something that's kind of coming off of a stem like this here. This is actually a good example here, right? So I guess because we've been talking about this and we were singing about this, we'll take this one off. And since I do not have my trusty clippers, there we go. Step 2, let's get it. All right, so now we're in the laboratory. It's just the bathroom, y'all. Sorry. Anyway, so this is what you want to have next. So you want to cut this in about 6 to 8 inch sections. All right. And typically, you can measure it out or about here to here. you just want to take your clippers, come up in here like so, and you want to cut it there. Now, since this part right here came off of like the woodier part, this is real tough. This not so much. This is. So I'm gonna come down here and kind of cut this off and cut it at an angle so that you know the bottom from the top. All right. So this will be the bottom. This right here will be the top. And if you need to, you can take like a Sharpie or something and write like a T up here, make a mark so you know that you want to plant it this way. Okay. I mean, that you want to plant this end down, this side up. So what you want to do after you do that is you actually want to let these sit out for about 2 or 3 days because you want this part here to callus over. And you know what? Since the Mac got your back, and I know you want to see the cold hard facts, I already got some of this done for you. Let's get to it, players. All right, so here's some that had already been done about 2 or 3 days ago. They've already been calloused over. So give me a second. All right, so it's nice and dry and calloused over like that. And we got several cuttings here. So you'll let this, like I said, you'll take that cutting, you'll let them sit there and dry for about 2 or 3 days. Make sure that's nice and calloused over like so. And then I'll show you what you guys can expect in just a couple of weeks after that. All right, y'all. So after we made our cuts and everything, and this is also what I was talking about in case you need to. So, you know, I put a T here, something that's the top. But anyway, after a couple of weeks, here's what you can expect. No, it doesn't look like a whole lot yet. Hold on. I know it doesn't look like a whole lot, but they are roots, okay? Get this thing to focus on. There are roots right there, okay? So after you get your roots and stuff, so that takes, I don't know, that takes maybe a couple weeks, give or take. And then after that, this right here is what you can expect. This right here. So here you can see we've got all new growth coming out, little pads and things right here. Focus. All right, so that's actually how it grows. So it'll have the main pad or whatnot right here like so. And then out of like the little areas here, see how it kind of comes in and goes out? That's where these things will grow from. So the new parts will grow here. And I'm gonna say that once these showed up, probably within about like just from when I saw them bud to about a week is about how big these got. So it's definitely an amazing plant. Really like it. It's gonna take off, it's gonna grow fast, and we'll definitely have some of these for sale probably. But I highly suggest and I invite you to check out the Orchid Cactus. It may be something that you want to add to your, this may be something that you'll be interested in. You know, it's spineless, everything, so you don't have to worry about getting hurt, getting poked, getting upset, throwing it out, using it to throw at somebody. But yeah, so this is the Orchid Cactus, and this is how you propagate them. So I hope you guys enjoyed this, and like I always say, I got love for those who got love for me. Much love from the middle of the mouth That's where I'm at.
And get you a cactus ain't got no spines, player.
Peace.